Loving yourself is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. It's in the little things, the way you listen to your heart, the kindness in your words, the moments you choose yourself. Right now, in this moment, you are enough. You are worthy of love, just as you are.
Let's welcome that love with a few simple questions. Why is it so easy for me to love myself exactly as I am? What if I allowed myself to feel worthy of love, just as I am today? How does it feel to know I deserve peace and happiness? Why is it so natural for me to show myself compassion? What if I accepted all my flaws as part of my beautiful journey? How can I treat myself with the same kindness I give to others? Why do I trust myself to make the best decisions for my well-being? How does it feel to know that I am enough, just as I am? Take a deep breath and remember, you are enough. You are worthy of love, just as you are. Let this truth stay with you today.